Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen flickering in Samsung Galaxy S17, a 37 or a 57. If you're using Galaxy S17, a 37 or a 57 and you want to fix your screen flickering issue, so let's see how can do that. You just have to simply go ahead to your settings. The very first way you can go to display here. In some phones you have multiple screen refresh rate, like in your phone you might have 90 Hz, 120 Hz, 60 Hz. So I recommend you have to select only 60 Hz to prevent that issue. You can also enable your adaptive brightness from here or auto brightness. And once you have done, just scroll down here, go to about phone. It's the main setting is set. You have to go to software information, enable your device or your developer option here. Just make 7, click on your build number option. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You must have to agree from your pop-up message, and there's the developer mode is now enabled. Go back, go to main settings, go to developer options here, scroll down to the end, and just swipe up now. You might see the disable hardware overlays. Just enable this. Once I've enabled this toggle, just scroll down control switch, control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just restart your phone. So once I've restarted, all the changes you have made will be allowed on your phone, and once I've done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.